Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I get my heatless curls using the Happy Hair Curlers. So this is what's left of my curls from yesterday. Still got some waves going, but I'm going to refresh this. So today I'm going to show you how to do the 4-curler method. This is really good for people with longer hair, thicker hair that's a little bit hard to curl. So just take the top half of your hair, get it up out of the way. And then with the bottom half, you want to just split it in half and then bring it around to the front. You can add the tiniest amount of water or a little bit of product before you put your curlers in if you want. So then you're going to use the 2 shorter curlers for the bottom section of your hair. So all you need to do is take a section about 1 inch or 2 large, and you want to give it a little twist away from your face, and then take this curler, wrap your hair around once or twice, and then fold this top little guy down, and that'll hold it into place for you. And then you just add little sections of hair and twist it and wrap it around this curler until you've got it all on. And as you're doing this, just give it a little twist as you wrap, and then just keep these wraps nice and tight on the curler to themselves, and then that way you'll have nice uniform curls when you're done. Once you get to the end, just use a bobby pin to secure this in place. There we go. So we'll just repeat the same thing on the other side. And when you're doing it, try to get nice clean sections of hair. If you have little like straggly pieces in there, it could be uncomfortable for your hair, and also it just won't be as nice when you take the curlers out. Okay, so when I take these around the back, I just give them a little twist so that the top part's nice and tight still. And then you can cross it over, twist it up, and then I just sort of tuck the ends somewhere inside here, squish it down, make sure these top parts are tucked in, and just sort of make like a little bun with it. So hopefully you can see that okay. It feels nice and secure like that, so I'll do the top section of hair. I like to just kind of leave my hair parted wherever it is naturally, but you're going to want to part it wherever you want it to end up being when you're done. So just a quick little brush. If you're using any product or water, just put it in right now before you put the curlers in. But if you are using water, you just need to be very careful with the amount of water that you do use. If your hair is wet at all, when you take the curlers out, you will end up with no curls. So you have to make sure that whatever amount of water you put in is going to dry during the time that you have your curlers in. So something to keep in mind. Yeah, Ben. Just a sec, buddy. Ben's here talking about Christmas presents. Better hurry up. Usually this takes me about 5 minutes to do if I'm not kind of going slow and talking and explaining what I'm doing. Okay, so again, before I secure these up in the back, I just twist it in so that it's nice and tight. And then in the back, I like to cross it over, and then wherever it connects in the bottom, I'll just twist the curlers around themselves so that it stays in place. So this feels nice and tight and secure here. Hey bud, 1 sec, buddy. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for an hour or so.
Can I say hi?
Yeah, say hi.
Hi. Hey, Mom.
1 sec, buddy. Just gonna leave this like this for about an hour or two, and then I'll take him out and show you the results.